Bless up. Bless up to my people, 55 subscriber special, you know what I mean? We're gonna report this one news now on this woman who demands refund for a wrong degree. Let's read into it. A woman has been left feeling cheated after she was accepted at a university to study for a particular degree, but was a completely different degree at the end of the tenure. So, quote unquote, she said, I enrolled in 2009 at the MICO University and was pursuing a bachelor art degree in computer studies. On the day I went to collect my degree, I'm presented with a Bachelor of Education degree. Jessica Wilson told the Star. She said she is now demanding a full refund of her tuition of $584,000 from the university, as an education degree is useless in her career as an information technology professional. These people are ruining my career, she said. On a broader scale, if I go out into the world and apply for a job in information technology, no one is going to pick a girl with a teaching degree over others with a Bachelor of Science degree, Wilson lamented. The 29-year-old who attended the Edwin Allen High School in Clarendon, pick up yourself, Edwin Allen, I went to Clarendon College very close, had worked in information technology and decided to pursue a Bachelor of Science degree, which she said was being advertised at the MICO University at the time. Acceptance letter. Wilson said she started noticing inconsistencies with the university's programs early on. She said she was appalled. She said she applied for a degree in computer education. Then her acceptance letter said she was awarded a place to study for a degree in information technology. However, upon paying her tuition and registering, her program was named as a Bachelor of Science in Computer Studies. Despite the inconsistencies, Wilson said she continued her studies, assuming the discrepancies were because the institution was in the midst of its transition from a teacher's college to a university. Wilson, who was working part-time, managed to complete her studies in 2014, but to much her dismay, the school awarded her with a Bachelor of Education with specialization in computer science degree, despite her being enrolled for a Bachelor of Science in Computer Studies degree. She said 10 others had completed the program, but unlike her, they were pursuing careers in teaching, so they did not have a problem with the degree they received in the end. Teaching degree. Wilson expressed her she was pissed off. She was dismayed or whatever to the MICO College University Registrar, University Council of Jamaica. Both institutions indicated that, among other things, that she would have known she was enrolled in a teaching intuition and therefore would be awarded with a teacher degree. Displeased with the response in having lost faith in the Jamaican education system, Wilson sold her apartment and went to London to complete her Master in Computer Science degree. She has now returned to the island to pursue her grouses against the MICO University. When contacted, the MICO University Public Relations Department yesterday told the Star that they were unaware of the case and will be conducting their investigations. So typical of my country, Jamaica, that you need foreigners to drag you along. So this young lady had to come to England, finish her intuition here in Britain, and then come back for some discrepancy, and then they are saying they don't have no history about it. And obviously this young lady wouldn't have aired it out in the public if she never felt like she paid for something that she did not receive, you know what I mean? And how much more people out there pay for stuff that they did not receive and don't have the opportunity like this young lady here to then come to England then and then to pursue her goals in Britain, you know what I mean? And then when she reached home, now getting what she wanted to further education from Britain, now she come back home to show you that she really love where she's from and she really want to invest into the future of her own country. She come back, you know, just to hear the discrepancy, because and when she does hear this discrepancy with the MICO college, this hopefully will not happen again, because paying 150,000 Jamaican is a lot of money. You understand what I'm saying? It's not a joke. If you understand what I'm saying, and especially that it's a place where you always need cash. Everywhere you always need cash still, you know, because most of the world is, you know, financial base, and that's how it's run really. But at the end of the day, I'm talking about when you're in a third world situation, you need money all the time, because there's just not certain facilities there. And it's a bit of a shame that the government education system can't give the youths them what they pay for. And if there's a discrepancy, why not just correct the degree or give back the money, you know what I mean? But sort it out one way or another. But yeah, man, tell me what you think about this, man, you know what I mean? Do you think there's a lot of people out there who pay for degrees in Jamaica, you know what I mean, and then basically got the wrong degree, and then they don't get to pursue their actual career further because they got a wrong degree and they can't take it back? If you understand, they already spent 150,000, and not like everybody like this young lady can get to go abroad to further their studies, to come back and to pursue their goal while they're in Jamaica. But not even only that, to have the money in to spend another, say, 150,000. And when you come into England as well, the cost of living is higher because you're spending pounds sterling, you know what I mean? So in a way, it costs even more, you know what I mean, when you're doing it in Britain, you know what I mean, than if you was doing it in Jamaica and the system made it right for what you paid for. But yeah, man, anybody who out there who have a problem like this in Jamaica or any parts of the world where they paid for degrees, you know what I mean, and they haven't really gotten what they paid for, you know what I mean, just drop a like, comment, subscribe, share down there, you know what I mean, just, yeah, drop down there. Let me hear how you feel about this young lady, you know what I mean, basically investing her time into studies, her money into it, you know what I mean, and everything, and didn't really get what she wanted. Yeah, man, you know what I mean, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your alarm bell. It's me, man, you know what I mean, over now, hitting them. Tell me what you think about my news, man. Fantasy World News is ever peak. Every now and again we drop it, you know what I mean, we drop some news, you know what I mean, because the future of these degrees is the future of us, the future of the countries, the future of the land. Over and out, blessed. One love, one heart, from me and Bob Marley, done. Yeah, so big up to Jessica Wilson. She was a young lady who basically sold her apartment and went to Britain because she didn't get her degree in Jamaica, the right degree that she needed. So she sold her apartment, went to Britain, passed, get her degree for what she wanted to do, and now she's back into Jamaica, back in the MICO University for her money back, or a correction of her degree. But yes, big up to Jessica Wilson. She's definitely a hero, you know what I mean? How much people sell their apartment to go and pursue their education and their goal? Big up to yourself, Jessica Wilson. Big up to yourself every time, anywhere you are. You are definitely come from Nanny of the Maroon bloodline. It's great bigging up a strong Jamaican woman on my channel. You understand what I mean? Big up yourself. Enough respect. You understand? Congratulations on your degrees as well. And I hope you do well in the future. Blessed. Over. Out. Love you all.